Or even experience the Venice BSB track with your own bike after the races. Visit venice.co.uk/BSB. Discover thousands of exclusive customer experiences and get more from motorcycling with Venice.
Always, you've always.
It takes two of us to lift it to the van. It is heavy, it will be pulling him out of the sky. It's incredibly difficult to fly. You can also see the crew formation. You can see two guys on canopies, just deployed spoke. They are literally strapped together and aiming their parachutes directly down towards the ground. They're going about 60 or 70 miles an hour, and once they hit about 300 feet, they're going to shout split, and they will split formations, as you can see now, turn their canopies for a safe landing. You'll also notice the next jumper down is flying a parachute regiment flag. That's 200 square feet. The next jumper is our cameraman. our own riggers created the flag, built the flag, rigged it up into a bag. We tested it. We actually have to use tandem parachutes, a very large parachute so that it can come down slowly enough because of the weight of it. It's the same if you were to strap yourself to us. The difference being the flag has considerably more drag. But it cost us about £25,000 a minute, and £3,000 a ship, and a lot of practice jumping out on the plane. 7,000 per Union Jack. The Union flag itself has been jumped by Corporal Henry Moore. Please give it up for the last Red Devil, Corporal Henry Moore on the Union Jack. Please, if you do have any photos, post them on our Instagram and on our Facebook. We would love to share them, we'd love to interact. If you do see the guys on the ground, passing their parachutes, we would love to say hello. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, the Red Devils. Thanks, Josh. What a wonderful show that the British Army can put on. Let's lead it once more.
The mountain, Tommy Breville controls the... rapidly running out of the road. It doesn't make that manoeuvre work, but he's getting all under control by the time he got to park. The interesting scenario we have now over the mountain, but and he died down on the mountain. They come over the crest. Infrastructure was here last year, and look at all Ben. Standing right for starting down.
So he's another rider, wasn't he? I think he was taken down at Donington earlier on the season. It would have been a different story. What about the
down the bridge, that's one rider I do want to have a chat with. He is very much local hope in this one. Well, this is Matt Toole of, well Matt, here we are at Cadwell Park in the sunshine. Doesn't get much better than this for a local lad, does it?
No, this is it, innit? Not too far from the front row, feeling good. Think I can be somewhere near at the end of the race, so get stuck in and see where we are.
Been a little while since you had a podium, there's nowhere better than he would do in this race. That would be a popular podium in fact in this season. Good to have a chat with the Ukrainian rider, Mark Mikhalchik. He is a rider from Kyiv in the Ukraine. Very much in the news for all the wrong reasons, but this is a rider that's been based in Europe for a little while. We'll just see if we can grab a quick word of him as James just moves out there. And again, it's another track, Ilya. We keep talking of these new tracks that you have never seen before, but here at Cadwell Park it is very, very different.
40 hours ago, we can't wait to get back and take the chronos to finish using a spear through the backwards one and the backwards two. First man backwards again, it's not the ball, hold on, but we could get out of the champion. really quickly. Sam's got sport, he has had an operation recently, but he's already making a recovery.
Yeah, no, well, he went in yesterday for his surgery. It went really, really well. We went to see him last night in the hospital, and he was in good spirits, so it was great to see. So yeah, he's already started on his recovery and started flying his return.
And that's what we want to hear. Declan Connell, we'll see Declan on site walking about with the cast on. So Larry Carter, two of our injured warriors not here as Ilya Mikkelchik lines up on the grid, but bathed in sunshine, ready for another grid walk. Larry Carter.
Yeah, pass our best wishes on to Tom Ward if you would. Sam, on behalf of the whole British Superbike Championship, hope to see you back. I'm not sure he'll be racing again this year, but with a broken femur, not the best body in the world to break, but hopefully he'll be back in your colours next year and challenging for the championship.
Yeah, they managed to go up there, that was a bit of a mess. But we've been in towards the hairpin just now, and you can see green flag here on the hill.
Behind the safety car, so the race was only been 8 laps, so the tyres were a little fine, they were in a slightly difficult pass, so I didn't want to get but yeah, this race I'm going to try and go one more, fight for it, no reason why not.
Wish you well on that one, and that's the chat show we're doing up there at North Allerton tomorrow night with car rider Rory Skinner at the Golden Line. Get yourself up there at 7 o'clock start for that one tomorrow night up there in North Yorkshire. Tommy Bridewell is down here, and it's been a pretty fruitful, well, a mixed weekend. Well, Tom, you've topped the podium already. You got that win out of the way. Hopefully number 2 can come along.
Yeah, let's see, Larry. Tricky conditions because it's yeah, the wind's really strong, really strong. And next day, the fact that you've got some minus sprint days, but also the temperature is hot. So you see through the classes, that slows it down a bit. So just got to respect it a bit. You know, it's a long race, and just take it to there.
Well, Tom, thanks for that. That's Tommy Bridewell. That is the front row complete then. Andy Irwin, car rider Tommy Bridewell. What's the row number 2? And he's having a storming weekend in more ways than one, and that is Tom Stacey. Michael Woodson, who's on the
Coming up and a bit of interaction with the crowd out here. Fraser, we've got about half an hour delay, so a little bit of it's fun. Come with me, mate. We're going to go and sign a few autographs out in the crowd there.
I need to go get my thing. Spud, can you sign my book, please?
Yeah, mate.
Can I have it?
Oh, that'll do. Thank you. See it.
All things have gone a bit wrong with that 3 months. Mine's been different. It's been taking a little while, so I changed it for this year. This year was going to be Motley Crue. I was never asked to do that. I haven't done it. Thank you. What was your one from last year?
It was 12.9.
Lap time round at 26.3.
I think it's the only time, yeah, it's the only time, mate. Yeah, we don't ring stage. I didn't know what that but yesterday. You spent a week doing that for your 20 minutes of glory. Well, I'll play them instead of handbrakes today. I've not seen a calendar.
It works so well, and Alan agreed to that when we talked to that. I look over my shoulder, the next person's coming out of the chicane, Alan hits the music and the music stops.